Hey YouTube, this is Josh with Bold Outdoors, and I figured I'd show a new addition to the rig here, and that's the new Galaxy Tab A6 I use for GPS. And there she be. So, as a lot of you know, I probably used the iPhone 5, an old one, for the last 3 or so years. I use that for GPS. You don't need cell service for GPS. There's a lot of glare. And then I use the Polaris Ride Command app for everything. When I was in Moab, it wasn't working too well, and then it wouldn't log in, it wouldn't allow me to record any of the trails, so I had to go. So on Amazon I found this for 79 bucks at the time, and then I used a ram mount to mount it to the cover, and then it's just screwed in there. And while you're sitting there, the angle of the screen is perfect. And then it just slides in and out. Awesome. And then, like I said, I use the Polaris Ride Command app. So today, so far I've done 19.6 miles in an hour 22. We're up here at Kelly Flats. There's supposed to be a storm coming in. We'll see. And then if it does come in, maybe I'll do a review of the tires here. Test terabytes in the snow. But that's the new addition there. Again, it's the Galaxy Tab A6. And it's a 7-inch screen. And then as you're sitting, you know, the angle of the screen is perfect. And you don't need a cellular plane or anything to use GPS on here. So it works perfect. And it almost looks kind of factory. I like it. So I figured I'd do a little bit of an update. Little 2-minute video, and I'll put links in the description on Amazon for the tablet and also for the mount. And again, this is Bold Outdoors. Please subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Peace.